Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Prices of petrol and diesel will be lower than that of Assam, says Deputy Chief Minister. Past pupils of Bangalore Catholic Community of Meghalaya to relive its family spirit. 4 persons, including a woman, arrested by Meghalaya police at Demthring petrol pump in Shillong for involvement in drug smuggling. And Madandating drivers take part in Road Safety Week. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tinsong said, the state government will make sure that the prices of petrol and diesel in Meghalaya will be less than that of Assam. Tinsong said, this has been normal practice over the years. Speaking to the media, Tinsong said, the state government has made an ardent appeal to the owners and drivers of commercial vehicles to withdraw the strike as the state government is seriously trying to resolve the high prices of petrol and fuel. However, the Deputy Chief Minister warned the agitates of dire consequences if they do not withdraw the strike. He said the government is having no problem in issuing additional permit to anybody who wants to run the taxis.
A decision accordingly. Kata kabangila ya, right? The next week most likely kabangin sapit ay kabangila. Taking into that consideration, hakabangi iba kaniki international price of diesel and petrol keep going up. They have keep going up. Kamu ihapan adjust hakatakal tiba. Lakum kuno ka petrol ke diesel laku Meghalaya kalau kam duna banya kasam. Kata kadai kabangi jule ka practice nadu report masyahadum ta. They will make sure bala kung nuru kador jong kas ka petrol bat jong ka diesel kan kamtat banya ka asa kabanga nga kentu ka asian kolom hapek toy lang ka sarkar ngila de ble suatu rupees kuma ofi te la kung nuru ngi mentai ka to ka memorandum ke la summit ngatai ngila ngidang yasong ngidang perhat kai ka ngila benle nang ni sekmat kam tame akan dikatayo ko bang nama Rusia mempadon de kabanga nga apil ki ngong sangat no ebiseki ya namar bang ngiru ko men ngidon kat not necessarily pinlay chmai rang len pinlay chakleng banya pensai pa ba namar ba kaji pensai pa ba pi kaju ngi la suthuk ngi la sai ne ko men ka e ka bangin le tendai nga ngasubon omar withdraw no ka indefinite strike pi namar ba ki driver ki duja baro ye duja lut dengan trai ba pin sedang no ka kam nang tai ya ka issue ka baki ki submit lengba joma haka to ski ba kendu ngong ngin examine ngi nakleng ko men seriously ngong pi having nak examine nang trai not necessarily ban khot kren ka bang appeal ki ngong su ba withdraw no but namar bang ka government menta kadang examine di kini issue baro very seriously lada ngisngau baki kim cooperate ban ni nakaliang ka joint action mi kay ka bingila ban kalau ngila ban issue ka additional permit the that time kan long na I warning la pa ki nakadaw nakalang sarkar we have so many options pan lada kim ya cooperate ngidon ka options ko buon bangila ban issue permit ya kinu ki kali ki beriu ke balong ready ban kamay it can be done that way tenang nga kerpat ki bakin slow bah sangat no swa yat menta nang ta nakaling jongi government nginang pek kay ka binang laban le susu hakane ka tayo
4 persons, including a woman, were arrested by Meghalaya police at Demthring petrol pump in Shillong at 9 a.m. today for their involvement to smuggle the dreaded drug heroin. Based on an intelligence tip-off that an illegal consignment was being brought via network travels bus to Shillong from Manipur to be delivered to a person by the name Hun Kojang Kuki. The police team belonging to Anti-Narcotic Task Force Group made a surveillance in the area and intercepted the recipient of the consignment after he had taken a carton containing the suspected illegal contraband item from the driver of the bus. Police sources said that after the arrival, the investigating officer and independent witnesses, the package was opened and searched, and 10 soap boxes were recovered. The powder tested positive for heroin. The total net weight was found to be 117.58 grams. A case under NDPS has been registered against the arrested persons. A sizable number of drivers belonging to Madandating area in Shillong took part in the Road Safety Week organized by Madandating Police Station. Speaking to the media after the training program, drivers lauded the efforts of the Meghalaya Police for giving them the opportunity to take part in the awareness program during the Road Safety Week that made them to be more aware of the latest rules relating to the Motor Vehicle Act. One of the traffic police of the Madandating Police Station, PF Sopho, said the drivers have immensely benefited from the training program in which they were taught how to park their vehicles at the right place that will ensure safety to them and the passengers.
Kelung kena kebompat dalam under age bagi akan kami buat bajing aksiden buat ke bombing sebel buat use mobile phone ka fanya ki kelong nam ta sebel kelong saja buat ya ka use mobile phone kelong sepuluh saja minimum
di rival juga taksi official pe wiwan dengan mereka prestation bagi lakat ban ai ka ban program kundo ban ya kali kundo ban ya ka sulok pemana kesini waktu nakam ya ki sekitar ki bapir ini ai boleh sibun ya ki police department ki bala penyiar
Sopho tu ia jengkai ban ya itu hasurok penuh kalong ka benlong safety ya ka driver ne ya ka passenger ne ya ka surok baya bro ni umtai Meghalaya kai lut yang penuh ka rules yang follow dong sedong lah kai lut ba kai sini lah tip ni dia yang sebut ba kai sini ni sebut kata ni yang mentai belum nya ka sin la batai te nya yang mentai sin ba lai kai bro tentang ya.
Today, the 13th February, the past pupils of Bangalore Catholic Community of Meghalaya BCCM met at Don Bosco Youth Centre for a brief meeting to reconnect those who have come back from Bangalore to Meghalaya and to relive the family spirit they once had in Bangalore. The meeting was chaired by Edmund Sinkley, former president of BCCM, in the presence of Mr. Raja, Mr. Joseph Shillong, Father Tabor, Father Michael Mukri, and many other BCCM past pupils. During the meeting, there was the election of new office bearers and redistribution of tasks in order to reach out to more past pupils who have returned to Meghalaya. It may be mentioned that the BCCM was founded in 2006 in Bangalore, and since then it has grown to a huge family, rendering a helping hand to many Meghalayan living in Bangalore.
The very time you retreat, it is a no means negative. So we have two choices in life, being positive and negative minded. Of course, anything that leads to hell we will always be. We will not go into that direction, but anything that does not lead to hell, just proceed further, just go ahead. So they gave to me a very motivated message that we should proceed further. So I really thank you from the bottom of my heart, really, that you have made it. So let us give a big clap for that. This is very charismatic, this is very inspirational, that in life that we should always be very positive minded. Let us move ahead with this short introduction, and also remember that BCCM is Bangalore, and the one who is spearheading all the activities out there is under the direction of Father DC. And out here, let us remember and let us put it together that we will go ahead only with the present.
Okay, dan hakane ka group jong BCCM those name aja kha hello khanyo da amphana nti kha aja kha the shabangana BCCM lawa phatte bagadan kada
station the ada satu place state dan orang sini pada tu biar notar orang lagi di hakpor orang pasti kalau ke skotona apa.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.